Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top hodler on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFXBook third-party track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about gold. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I will give you my complete multi-time frame top-down technical analysis. Then we will move to the order flow by looking at the non-commercials for the commitment of traders data. So what the big institutional speculators in the market are doing and how they are moving and shifting their orders. And then we will put together these two different types of analysis to try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for the next potential move here for this pair. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that obviously we are in a strong uptrend. The market has created a series of monthly impulses and corrections. All these previous corrections were quite shallow if we look at where they went. Immediately, as soon as the corrections started, institutions started buying again, pushing the price higher. However, this last correction is different since it is much deeper. In fact, if we want to measure this last correction, we can see that it went all the way down to the area in between the 0.618 and 0.786 Fibonacci retracements, which is the last area inside of which, if buyers want to protect the uptrend and continue to have the market in an uptrend, they have to step in to protect it and create a low inside of this zone, because if the market breaks below it, essentially it is a clear failure of buyers maintaining this uptrend, and essentially you have a reversal of the trend of the market. So on the monthly, everything seems quite clear. Buyers entered and price is starting to move higher. That is, of course, what you expect in an uptrend. Let's keep that in mind and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, from a weekly standpoint, we can notice a clear shift of structure. Also here on the weekly, the market went from the creation of weekly lower lows and lower highs. We then had a double bottom, exactly this zone. Now the market is shifting to the creation of weekly higher highs and higher lows. So we have a clear inversion of trend from a weekly bearish market to now a weekly bullish market. Let's keep that in mind and drop down on the daily time frame. Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below if you have any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in the next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. Now, on the daily, I spoke about gold just a few days ago when the market was starting this correction. I explained all the reasons for which after this correction, I was expecting a rejection higher, and that is in fact exactly what the market did. Then again, just a few days ago, I explained all the reasons for which from here, I wanted to see a retest of this previous resistance turn support, and then from here, the rejection higher. And again, that is exactly what the market did. And by the way, I will link in description these two previous analyses, so you can go and check them out for more free education. But at the moment, what do we have? Well, at the moment, we have a market which clearly has created a new impulse to the upside, therefore has broken new structure. So there is quite a few things to speak about. But before we do that, before we go deeper into the technicals here, first let's move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing. Now, if we are looking at the data for gold, we're actually already looking at gold USD, because the data is already reported against the USD. And what we can see is that with the last reports, net positions have been increased quite a bit. We went from 182k net positions all the way up to 222k net positions. So clearly what we're starting to see is that institutions are adding longs once more. We went from 219k all the way up to 256,000 longs compared to only currently 34,000 shorts. So clearly institutions are now building up their long position once more, so protecting that uptrend, as we were saying when we were looking at the market on the monthly. So everything here looks quite bullish. Let's keep that in mind and move back to the chart. And by the way, If you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you'll find linked in the description, so you never miss new updates. Now, back to analysis. So in this kind of situation, as we were saying, we have a clear impulse and now the market is starting a correction. Now, if we want to measure this correction, we have to take our Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse leg. This shows us how the area that is interesting is the one in between the 0.3 to 50% and 0.618, which if we extend it to the left, we can also see how it was the zone from which all this rejection to the downside was created. So quite strong previous supply and resistance, now turned demand and support. And if we look into the most recent price action, it is also the area in which this red candle was created. So when the market during this massive push to the upside stopped at this zone, clearly sellers starting to push, the price went lower, buyers re-entered, broke above the zone. So now this area is previous resistance, which is now turned support. Meaning that what we have here is good probability of seeing if the market will retest this zone, more institutional buying inside of the level. So if we will have a deeper correction inside of this zone, what would I expect? Now, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the COD data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bearish to a bullish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a rejection higher away from this zone for the market to complete this daily impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're open, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it, because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program, because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.